Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix fail to acquire a hotfix data in Soul Knight Prequel. So are you a fan of Soul Knight Prequel but frustrated by fail to acquire the hotfix data or a error message? So you are not alone, many player reported this issue. So in this video we will see why this problem is happen and find some relevant solution. Okay. So to fix the fail to acquire hotfix in the Soul Knight Prequel, exit the game completely and then re-enter. Maybe try to log out and log in into the app. If it still is persist, then wait for 1 to 2 hours because the chances make sure there's some technical glitch and some server error. After that, make sure the Soul Knight pre-require is update to the latest version. So now we see these all the steps by here. Okay, so make sure you have follow all the step carefully. And here are some detailed steps to helps to mitigate these problem. First one is, if you find yourself unable to access the game, it is advisable to exhibit the patience and attempt to log in after some time and has passed. Alternatively, switching your network connections, or for example Wi-Fi to mobile or vice versa, might be resolve this issue. This is a common troubleshooting step that can sometimes bypass the network related difficulties. There have been reported for the disconnect acquiring specifically when the player are opening the teaser chest on card. So to prevent any potential loss of due to items to the error, it is recommended that you have encountered an error message during this process. So you should exit the game and completely and re-enter, or use the retry option to provide within the game. It is important to avoid the selecting the option to return to the main menu when an error message display, as could the potential lead to lose the item process. Okay, when attempting a redeem code gift, you might be experiencing a lack of responses from the game. If this happens, it is suggested to try to redemption process again later, or log out of the game and log back in a time when the server are likely to be less bundled and stable. Okay, in some instance player have made purchase but don't receive their immediately, so they delay in the distribute attributes to serve the related issues, typically going out of the game and looking back in after a period of 1 to 2 hours. Should resolve this issue, you should receive an item. If the problem persists, then beyond the team frame, reach out of the customer support. So this is the customer support mail id. It is crucial to keep the game up to date. If you are encountering the issues, and you can try to your game is up to date or not. So typically include bugs fixed and improvement to fix stability in the updates. So you can do through your devices, app store, and Google official website. Now while we are waiting for the error to be fixed, there are the couple of things you can. First is item temporary loss. Server lags are disconnected are the main reason for losing the item game. Player may be encountered disconnecting when picking up the loot during the run. Okay, so player must be encountered the purchasing chairs or opening the chill state village. Please do not click return to main menu if that happen to you. So kill the game app, then log in the game and enter the chillast village. The chest or the item will be stay on the spot. Now we have the second acceptance. Second option is delay in redeeming the gift code. So the failure to be redeemed to code is due to the server lags and disconnected, which prevent the client from being notified in the time to deliver the item. Normally, if the code is shows claimed successfully, the player should be able to receive the gift after logging into the game. So we will work on the hard to optimize the gift code redemption logic to reduce the server pressure and reduce redemption delay. Okay guys, now we have the third one. So third one is delay in the delivery. So we will resend a unreceived order in a bulk or daily basis. For most of the player, you don't have received what they paid for. They need to log out and re-enter the game for login in the next day to receive the order. If you have still not receiving the order after logging in for many days, please send our customer service support a screenshot for the order history. Maybe the problem is due to the high demand We are sorry that we can't reply to all the messages timely manner. So please leave message and we will be here to you and soon as possible. Now we have the fourth phase is can't claim beta test payment compensation. So player may counter a disconnection when claiming item attached to a mail in the listed village. If that happen, that save the data may not be refreshed normally. In this case, exit the game and restart it to check whether the item has been attached to the mail or restored your account. If after the login you still do not have received the fish ship, so we will send the compensation mail to the former tester and who cannot receive it after the server is stabilized. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.